Ever wondered how to create a Binance ID and deposit to P2P? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Binance and P2P trading. So what's Binance? It's a leading global cryptocurrency platform offering a platform for trading a dizzying array of over 100 cryptocurrencies. And P2P? That stands for peer-to-peer trading, a form of trading that's as straightforward as it sounds. It's all about buyers and sellers interacting directly with each other. No middlemen collecting fees, just pure, efficient trading. It's like an online marketplace, but for cryptocurrency. It's a decentralized form of trading that's gaining traction worldwide. And the best part? Binance supports this style of trading. So stick around. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to create a Binance ID and how to deposit to P2P. So how do you create a Binance ID? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Let's walk through the process together. First, head over to the Binance website. Now, don't be overwhelmed by all the information and graphics on the page. Just focus on the top right corner. There, you'll see a register button. Click on it. This will take you to a page where you'll need to fill out some basic information. You'll be asked for your email address and to create a password. Make sure your password is strong and unique. You don't want anyone else getting their hands on your crypto, right? Once you've filled out these fields, you'll need to agree to Binance's terms and conditions. Make sure you read them carefully. After all, it's always important to know what you're signing up for. Now, click on Create Account. But hold on, you're not done yet. You'll need to verify your account next. Check your email. You should have received a verification message from Binance. Open it and click on the link to verify your account. If you don't see the email, check your spam folder. Sometimes emails like these end up there, and just like that, you've done it. You've created your Binance ID. You're now officially a part of the Binance community and ready to make your mark in the world of cryptocurrency. Congratulations, you now have a Binance ID. Now that you have a Binance ID, how do you deposit to P2P? That's what we're going to explore in this segment. First things first, you need to log into your Binance account. Remember, security is paramount in the world of digital currencies, so ensure you've secured your account with a strong password and two-factor authentication. Once you're in, you will need to navigate to the wallet section of your account. This is your financial hub within Binance, where you can manage all your digital assets. In the wallet section, you'll find a variety of options, but the one we're interested in today is P2P. P2P, or peer-to-peer, is a decentralized form of trading where you can trade your cryptocurrencies directly with other users. This method provides more control over your trades and can often result in better prices. Now, it's time to make your deposit. In the P2P section, you'll see an option to deposit. Click on it. Here, you'll be prompted to choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Binance supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, so whether you're a Bitcoin enthusiast or an Ethereum aficionado, you're covered. After selecting your desired cryptocurrency, you'll be presented with the deposit details. This will include the deposit address and the amount you wish to deposit. It's important to double-check these details to avoid any errors. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposit. It's as simple as that. But remember, transactions on the blockchain can take some time, so don't fret if your deposit doesn't show up immediately. Also, keep in mind that while P2P trading has its perks, it also comes with its own set of risks. Make sure you're comfortable with these before diving into the world of P2P trading. With these simple steps, you have successfully deposited to P2P on Binance. Enjoy your journey into the fascinating world of peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trading. Let's quickly recap what we have covered today. We explored Binance, delved into the process of creating a Binance ID, and learned how to deposit to P2P. Remember, each step is crucial. Be meticulous and prioritize the security of your account. Take your time, double-check everything, and make sure you're comfortable with each action. You are now well equipped to navigate the world of Binance and P2P trading. Happy trading!